Hey loves, it's KashTV and I'm about to show you guys how I make these quick and easy, delicious lettuce tacos. Alright, so I'm just going to show you the ingredients while I'm actually preparing everything. So I'm using frozen corn. As you can see, I'm just heating it up in a pot. Fake veggie meat that I'm sauteing in a pan. A head of lettuce. Mangoes. Tomatoes. And as you can see here, I'm rinsing off one of the lettuce cups and I'm just using a little veggie wash to, make sure all the dirt and stuff is off of the lettuce. Alright guys, so now I'm going to jump into a tahini sauce that I like to make. It's super easy. So I'm just doing a 1/4 cup of tahini, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, sea salt, a 1/4 cup of water, and I'm just gonna mix that around just to get the consistency right. And next I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of lemon juice and also a little bit of maple syrup. So now the sauce is ready. So I just fill my lettuce cups with the veggie meat first, corn, some carrots, tomatoes, the mangoes, and then to top it off, I do the salsa, some guacamole, and finally the tahini dressing, which makes it just so delicious. Honestly guys, this meal is so easy. I usually eat about 4 or 5, and it's definitely a light, healthy meal. It's so good. I hope you guys try it and let me know if you enjoyed this video. Alright, love you guys. Peace out.